Hi, boys and girls. As you can see, I am in Bryson's room. He's got a messy bed. And I'm trying to read a bedtime book with him. So we'll see how it goes, and I thought I would share the book with you. One of my favorites that we've read a lot. I have to keep him away from the computer. We haven't had a chance to read yet in kindergarten, but it was my favorite book in kindergarten. Chicka, I've got to find the camera. Chicka, Chicka, Boom, Boom, by Bill Martin Jr. and John A. Illustrated by Lewis Eller. Alright, trying to make it big for you. A told B, and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Whee! Said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, Chicka, boom, boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. Bryson's not cooperating. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka, Chicka, boom, boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. L-M-N-O-P and Q-R-S-N-T-U-V. Still more. W and X, Y, Z. The whole alphabet up the... Oh no! Chicka, Chicka, boom, boom. Skit, scat, scoodle doot, flip flop, flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears and dust their pants. Looking for your little prayer bear. There's one. Help us up, said A, B, C. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D and stubbed toe E. Then comes, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted, alley-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle doot, flip flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's Black-Eyed P and Q-R-S and Loose Tooth T. Then U-V-double-U, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, X-Y-Z, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. But Chicka, Chicka, boom, boom. Look, there's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, Chicka, boom, boom. The end. Good night.